Hello G Squad, welcome back to the channel. This is my giveaway prize from the Beetles giveaway on their Facebook page. I was so jazzed to find out I was one of the winners. I know there were several people who won, including friend to the channel, Love Chunks. Actually, she may be the one that tagged me in it, I think. So thank you for that as well, Love Chunks. You are a bomb diggity. It was also her birthday recently, so happy birthday to you, girl. What a nice present to get, right? They did say that this was going to come on the 1st, but I've already gotten it. And I thought that we would crack it open together and have a little swatch party. Let's crack into it, okay? Okay, guys, before we break open that box, I wanted to show you what I've been doing to use my glue dots a little bit differently, because especially when you're doing tips that are this skinny, I'm finding that this, I mean, just for comparison, it makes for a less smooth application. So what I've been doing is just using, whoops, backing paper, which I just totally screwed this up. You got to use the correct side of the backing paper or this does not work as well. And I didn't do that. There we go. Okay, so using the shinier side, I just like to lay it down on there. Oops, don't touch the other ones because that makes it not good. And then I just like to cut straight down the middle. And then you can just use half of it. And that fits a lot better. And even at that, sometimes it's a little big. But then you don't have all that crazy amount of glue dot making this crooked and weird. So there you go, just a little tip of what I've been doing lately. When I find something that's working for me, I like to tell you guys about it. So let's go ahead and talk about my prize. It was so exciting to win a giveaway. And like I said, it was fun to win it with a subscriber to this channel, Love Chunks. So congratulations again to Love Chunks for winning as well. This is my first time with Beetles, and so I'm excited to give it a try. But I did want to say that their box, very reminiscent to other companies' boxes, and it really does make me wonder if all of these companies are the same company. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Okay, so before we crack it open, this is supposed to be, the set is supposed to be called the Macaroon set, I think it was. But the side of the box here says the gray nude blue. So we will see what we have inside. If you want to know all the directions and warnings, I'm not going to read all that to you. So now, when you open it, you get a nice little thing of stickers for the colors. The application guide, again, just a little something to read through if you want it. And there's the back. Okay, and it's a cute little mini trial set, and there are 3 layers. Yes, 3 layers. I knew it was 12 pieces. What is this? Oh, another thing of stickers. They're folded, so that's a little less useful. But that happens in manufacturing. I didn't mean to sound snarky. Okay, we're going to set this box to the side. Oh, wow, I just missed my chance to throw it over my shoulder like Nail Career Education. Although I have something behind me, I wouldn't really want to knock things over. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop one of them out. And just give a first impression look. Oh, okay, this is not gray or blue or nude. Wow, boom red. Okay, I'm going to pull all these out and then we're going to swatch them up. Okay, so what we have here are numbers 29 through 40. And the first thing I want to point out is that they are mini bottles with 5 milliliters, so that's like about half the size of traditionally, you know, like I think my Laguna Moons and my Elite 99s are 10 milliliter, but the bottles are glass. I have had smaller plastic bottles of the minis, and I don't enjoy that, so I'm actually really excited to see that they went glass. So let's go ahead and start with the smallest number. Okay, besties, I just want to say real quickly, and then I'm going to let you watch the swatching with, you know, a little music in the background. I really enjoyed the formula on this. There's a couple of colors that I noticed. Some splitting where the polish would, you know, break apart a little bit if you didn't give it a good enough coat. But as soon as I came back through and smoothed it and made sure that was number 629 and made sure that it was well coated, that would solve that problem. So I found the formula to be really nice, real easy to work with. I look forward to doing some nails with it to see how it holds up. So I really enjoyed the swatching. It was a fun video to swatch, and the polish worked really great. So far it's a thumbs up from me. We'll see with some wear tests in the future how much I really like it. And as my opinion changes, whether for the better or the worse, I will definitely let you know. I do want to say this color right here is gorgeous. I love it. It's not my favorite color, but it's one of them because I'm just really starting to fall in love with green these days, right? It's so amazing. Okay, guys, I'm actually going to stop talking now because my voice is a mess right now. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of tonsillitis and ear infection, which is something I'm prone to. So I'm going to let the polish speak for itself, and I will say one last thing to you before we finish this video at the end. Mwah. Okay, besties, thank you so much for coming by and watching my little swatch video today. I enjoyed the Beetles polish. It was super fun to work with. I do want to say, I think my favorite color of the set is 637, but they're all so pretty. I love that lilac color. I love that red. I really love that bright, bright pink that's almost neon. Oh, guys. These colors are going to be so much fun to work with. Please make sure you're subscribed so that you can come back and check out all the stuff we're going to make with them. And be sure to give me a thumbs up while you're down there. Let me know what your favorite colors are in the set. And we'll see you on Wednesday for some more nail art. Mwah! Bye, guys.